In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on captions in Edpuzzle so you can follow along more easily while watching your assignment. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side area of your dashboard and click the My Classes because this is where all your assignments live. Now, choose the video that you wanted to play and click the play video to begin it right here. As you can see, if you do, there should be an automatic subtitles or a closed caption readily available for you right here. You see that? I'm going to click the X button. All right. Now, there should be a CC right here or the subtitles icon. If you click on it, you have more options. For example, if you wanted to have an English, as you can see, the subtitles has appeared. If you don't want it, you can do that. Or no CC at all. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Now, the good thing is all videos should have the captions enabled because if they do, they will automatically appear on the screen. Okay? Now, if the captions is not available, that means the teacher who assigned this video disabled the captions. Or if the video source itself doesn't provide the captions itself. It's super simple, right? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to turn on captions here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.